So first thing is first, for all of our new Watobians, what do we do? Wait, I can't introduce myself and not introduce Lebo. Guys, such a sin. Lebo, we have the lovely Lebo here with us. Hi, girl.
Hi, everyone.
There we go. So I'm here with the lovely Lebo. She's tag teaming with me today, so you guys don't kill me, but it's fine. Okay, so we offer affordable online maths classes from grade 7 to 12. So we will be with you until you finish matric. And we now offer mathematical literacy. So if you're here and you're confused and you're like, what is going on? Then you must just know that, you know, you're in the right place. So we still offer mathematical literacy. And then recordings are available 48 hours after the lesson. Okay, generally it's 24 hours, but I like to say 48 so that if it's not up or something, you don't panic. So in 48 hours, expect our lessons to be up and ready for you guys. Someone asked me in the different lesson, why do we record the lessons? Well, it's for in case you miss a lesson. So if you're at school or you have extramural or you're too late and you join late and you don't know what's going on, then you know that you can catch up through the recording. Okay, so this is our pricing. Please also introduce physical science. We will work on that. I mean, it makes sense, okay? Maths goes with physics, right? I get it. But I will definitely pass your message on to our founders and tell them there's a demand for physics, guys. Okay, so our subscription prices are as following. This is why we wanted moms to be here. Don't chase them away. Come on, guys. So you have 1 month at $2.99 and 3 months at $6.99, and you have 12 months at $1.999. The reason 3 months is highlighted is because this is the term we generally recommend for you guys to see changes. You know, I mean, in 1 month, we cannot guarantee much because you won't be with us long enough to see any real change. But 3 months is about the length of a term, right? So we expect to see some good changes once you have been with us for at least a term. So that's how much we recommend. Okay, so for that price, you will get full access to all Watobe content on the website. So that means all of those lessons that I spoke about being recorded, you can access them, right? Sometimes you're like, I don't remember what this chapter is all about, and you want to go, you know, refresh your memory. Then you can go back to the videos and watch them. And you get 2 live lessons per week, which are going to be on Mondays and Wednesdays for you guys. I don't know which days you had last year, I forgot. But this year they will be on Mondays and Wednesdays, okay? So according to whether you are in the foundations class or in the standard class, you will either have lesson at 5 to 6 or at 6 to 7, okay? The background team will take care of telling everyone who's in what way and reminding you your times. But yeah, generally, everyone's lessons will be on Mondays and Wednesdays. We have 1 quiz per week. Generally, quizzes are on Wednesday because that's the last day for the week that you have lessons. And then weekly quiz and attendance reports will be sent to parents so they can see, is my child actually showing up? Are they doing the quizzes? That's the only way we can see if this is working out for you, right? If we see that, yeah, this person is making progress. Okay. When can we expect physical and life sciences? Not anytime soon, Zandisile. I can suggest it, but I mean, it doesn't just happen overnight. Rome wasn't built in, does it say a night? Guys, you see, trying to use sayings and being
in 1 day.
In a day, yes, there we go. Rome wasn't built in a day, so it might take time. We can just recommend it, but I cannot guarantee anything else, to be honest. Okay. So some things to note, all our lessons are conducted in English. So we cannot give you a lesson in vernacular because we don't know what geometry in isiZulu is. Okay, that'll be very difficult. A very tough lesson trying to figure out what supplementary angles are in Sepedi. We cannot do it. Guys, all our lessons are in English. Second thing is, each lesson takes about 500 megabytes of data. So if you are using data and you want to know how much you must expect to buy for each lesson, then there we go. Okay, I think it's reasonable. And if I were you, I would buy those data bundles that last like an hour because they're much cheaper, right? Then you know you're in your lesson for your hour and you are done. And then you can switch your camera off just like I have done to save data or for connection issues like I have right now because of lovely load shedding. We're all gonna pretend we love it and we don't mind it, whatever. But it's fine, I'll get over it. You have lessons on holidays as well, but we try and keep them more lighthearted, you know, we have more fun, but you will still be learning mathematics, right? I mean, that's the point of the lessons, to still be doing some mathematics. And same goes with exam boot camps. Okay, not really same. Exam boot camps are a little bit more focused on answering exam questions. So you will not be focusing on one specific topic. You will be going through the important topics in an exam, perhaps going through a past paper of a few, going through memoranda so that you see how you are expected to answer exams and where you get your marks. Okay, take note that exam boot camps are at an extra cost, but we will advertise them closer to the time. Generally, exams are in June and December. So closer to June and December, you will get a solid, you know, advert and acknowledgement of when the holiday classes are. So if you need help with your costing, your payments, your lesson times, your links, contact our customer experience team on this number. I suggest you write it down because sometimes, let's say you can't get into a lesson or you have the wrong link or the link doesn't work. These are the people to contact, okay? They can help you quickly. They're usually online at lesson times as well, so they can help you very, very quickly to get you back online. Okay, cool. Let's meet the team. These lovely young gentlemen are the people that founded our company. So these are the people who I'm going to tell about your physics and your life science classes. Okay, I'll be like, please do, Eric, please make a plan. Yeah. So Eric is on the left and we have Henry on our right. They are the ones who saw the need and demand for our lessons and they made it happen. And that's why we are here today. So these are the people. So if they say no, guys, I know you have my face, né? You mustn't go after me. I mean, I don't have the power. Please, these are the people who are high up there and have the power to make things happen. So if they say, if you see me in your classes one day and you're like, yeah, we're not welcome back, didn't we say, wrong person, ne? The day Eric comes or Henry can be like, those are the people you can be like, Wena, why don't you have, okay, well, don't say Wena, guys. You get it though, you get it.
We get it.
So these are our teachers and we have a big red circle here because that will be your teacher for the year.
Yay.
His name is Peter and he is awesome and fabulous and he knows what he is doing. Guys, he will get you to where you want. So that is our teacher for this year. His name is Peter. At least meet them before next year. You know what? You're giving me heartburn. I wish I could help. I wish, honestly. Okay, we also have, as people know who were here last year, teaching assistants. So actually, our lovely Level here is our teaching assistant for the year. Say hi again, Level, for the company.
Hi guys, I will be your teaching assistant this year.
So Level is our person. But before the end of it, guys, they are ganging up on me. Do you see this? This is bullying. This
so
is
much
bullying.
Pressure.
But yeah, hey, as I was saying, Lebo is our TA this year for grade 11. She will be in all your lessons, and part of her role is to help with, first of all, technical difficulties. Sometimes you log in and you cannot hear the lesson. Like you can see people speaking and moving, but you have no idea what's going on. Your TA is there for that very reason. And also answering content-related questions. I guarantee you Lebo knows grade 11 and 12 and further mathematics content, okay? So if you are stuck, you don't know what the teacher is saying, you are confused, Lebo is the person to go to. All right. Guys, you know, when I made these transitions, I was just pressing. So they surprised me also. Like, did you see that? It just flew. I'm like, whoa, okay. What a wow. Which one is this one? Okay.
What's next?
So, lessons are conducted over Zoom. So as we said, according to which lesson you are in, you will get the correct Zoom link. And then these are some tips based on our past experience that we think will be helpful for you to know. First things first, I said, if you cannot hear us before you message Lebo, look for this icon. Okay, so if you can't hear us, chances are you are not connected to sound. So you just press join audio and you choose between Wi-Fi and data. It will ask you, are you using Wi-Fi or data? And you choose between the two. Then a few seconds later, you'll be connected to sound and it will be awesome. Systems go. Okay, if you want to ask or answer questions or a question, guys, my English bundles have run out. Ask or answer a question, or you want to react, thumbs up or thumbs down, you press the reactions button. So once you press it, this menu will pop up. Okay, so if you look here at the right at the bottom, it says raise hand. If you press raise hand, first of all, your name will go right at the top of the list and it will notify the teacher that your hand is up. So then the teacher can ask you a question or you can answer a question or whatever you need, okay? Second important one is this thumbs up over here. The teacher says, does everyone understand? You can use your thumbs up reaction. And we all know that you understand. You can also laugh at me when my English bundles run out. Sad. We can celebrate and clap our hands. Sometimes someone's already laughing. I see you. You're laughing, Annie. Guys, I'm teaching you guys things and you're using them against me. It's
Maybe
fine.
they're just practicing.
It's practicing laughing at me. I see it. So sometimes, guys, I told you do a quiz every week, right? Sometimes we'll have like a top 5 or like well done or whatever. And you guys can clap your hands or you can use the celebrate button, whatever it is, whatever reaction the teacher wants, that's where you find them. Okay. And then, whoop, now we have our chat facility, and it spins around. What a wow. If you want to change your audience, for instance, if you are very shy and you do not want to send your message in the chat for everyone to see, then you can change your audience in this button. At this moment, it says everyone. So if you type a message, everyone in the chat will see it. But if you press this down arrow here, then it will change. It'll give you an option to change who sees your message. So you can either ask Lebo or your teacher a question or answer a question if you don't want everyone to see it, okay? The way it says type a message is obviously where you type a message. So your questions, your answers, you type in there and then you just press enter and it will send straight to whoever you want to send it to. And this is one of my favorites, the emoji button. If you want to send an emoji, you go there. So if you ask for thumbs up or down, or you want to send your emoji of the day, which we need to do, guys. What is your emoji of the day? Now you know where to find it, so I don't want to hear people say, hey, pants na pezulu, what? Back and forth. Woo! Miss Lebo, what's your emoji of the day? Let's see, guys. Woo! Lebo. Guys, Lebo is gonna take our whole meeting on a tumble with her. I don't understand. Please
Cartwheels.
don't do
I'm
that.
telling you.
Tando is happy to be here. Tiamo, hi, bro. Tiamo just dampened my mood. Like,
Tiamo, why
dead.
are we
Annie
sad?
is like a
Why are we
nerd.
sad?
And he's gonna answer all of our questions later. Dube is, that looks like a virus to me. Are you here to hack us? Are you here to hack us? Masofa is laughing because I talk too much. Oyisa is an angel. Woo.
Aww.
And we have other laughing. Tiamo, what's wrong? Don't apologize. We want to know what's
You
wrong.
don't have to apologize.
Woo, Lovelyn. I hope that means you drank a lot of coffee. So you are running to the loo a lot. I hope that's what that means. Renela has star as K. This is my emoji of the day. Get it? Because I'm cat. Guys, genius over here. Cat is feeling catty today. Today was not my day.
Oh, we all get those. It's okay. It's okay.
I hope it's not because Watobe's back on, because I'll be very offended if that's the case.
Yeah.
You.
I hope it's because of school or something.
You hope it's because of school level?
I mean, holidays could have been longer, but okay.
No, that's not okay. As long as we're not
okay,
part of the problem,
the reason.
Then we're okay. Okay. Hey, at least I was gonna put it on you, girl. Okay. And now we are doing a brain break. People who have been here for a while know what this is. This is generally in the middle of your lessons where we want your brain to cool down, okay, to cool off a little bit because we've been doing difficult math stuff and we just want to take a breather. And today, our brain break, we are going on a cruise, okay? So how this works is I'm gonna say, I'm going on a cruise and I'll tell you guys what I'm bringing. And then you guys must tell me what you are bringing. And based on that, I will tell you whether you are going or not. Okay, I'm gonna start and I'm gonna say, I'm going on a cruise and I'm bringing a pineapple. Lebo, what are you bringing, my dear?
I will bring grapes.
And you are staying. Bye.
No.
Guys, in the chat, please tell me what you guys are bringing. Lebo is staying. Watermelon is staying. Woo, what a difficult. Tando, ice cold. What? You are staying. You can give me the juice, but you are staying. I'm very sorry. Strawberry is coming with me. Who was that? Tiamo? At least we get to go on the cruise. Bringing Roman's pizza.
Whoa.
Nope, you're staying, nothing. You can give me the ice cream and stay. Sunglasses is coming with me. Speaker is staying. Pina colada, you are going to jail. You are going to jail. Why do you have a pina colada at your age? We are going to, I'm gonna pizza you, I'm telling you. Juice
maybe it's a version one.
They didn't say that. Apple is staying, ribs is staying. Annie, what is going on there?
Who is bringing vodka, guys? What is going on?
Wait, I'm gonna have props. Milkshake is staying, grape juice is staying. Woo! What a difficult, guys.
Oh my god.
Tiamo's the only person coming with me. And sunglasses. Yo, Batung, water, no lubabalo. We appreciate the gesture, but you can stay. You're the gesture. We will keep hydrated. I guarantee you. Coca-Cola is staying behind. Smoothie.
Oh my word. Can we get a
Tiamo, you were going. You were going, smoothie. Tiamo, and then you changed to smoothie. You are staying.
Ooh.
Pineapple is coming. Woo! We will sneak in, guys. Guys.
Can we get another clue, Kat?
No, you can't get another clue. You have 3 clues. Pineapple is going. Strawberry is going. Sunglasses is going.
I don't see the correlation.
sunscreen can stay. Are
Oh
we having a
no.
lesson? You will see, my darling. You shall see.
To be continued.
Well, whoever said apple, if it was apple juice, you would go. I'm just saying. The
The
suspense
suspense
is
is
killing
killing
me.
me too. It's killing me too.
We'll bring a yacht to escape the cruise.
I am getting on that yacht.
That's fine. When there's a storm, you and your yacht can tumble over. Guys can stay in the water, it's fine. And then I'll go with my pineapple. Guys, guys, it's 3-syllable words. Kantininjani.
Oh,
Pineapple, sunglasses, umbrella is coming
my
with me.
word.
Lifeguards can stay. Thank you, Kumo. We'll take them, but you can stay.
Completely went over my head. Completely.
Level, when are you just don't want to go on a cruise? You must just
I really want to
you
go.
must just
I really
stay,
do.
Mina. I don't want to go on a cruise, guys. Just want to stay. I think my electricity is back on. Which means my network should be
Yay.
better, but I'm still very dark because the lights are off, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Bible. Kumo, are you bribing me? That is emotional blackmail. Reading a Bible. So I must leave you with, woo. Sure. Okay, it's fine. Our brain break is over. Now let's talk about credit card and we're gonna spend it and blow it. Okay, let's go back to our lesson, guys. Well, it's not a lesson, but you get it. So these are content areas for grade 11. Well, it's actually for the whole FET phase that are really important, okay? So generally, the whole syllabus is made up of these topics. You should all be able to recognize it. You have probability, functions, which are graphs and equations, basically. Algebra, everything from expressions to equations to solving to factorizing and expanding. That will be our algebra. We have Euclidean and analytical geometry, distances, the Cartesian plane, type of shapes and all of that. Trigonometry, which people hate, but guys, please fall in love with trig. Like, you will score so many marks in paper 2 if you love trig. Trust me. So we have trig, statistics, which was previously data handling. So this is all about your numbers and your data and organizing your data. We have sequences and series, patterns, previously known as patterns, and finance. Okay, I know you guys like money, so finance is probably your thing. I understand. Okay, so these are learning areas from the CAPS document. Remember, we tried to work very closely with the ATP and the CAPS document so that we keep in track with what you are doing at school. Obviously, we'll be just behind them because we cannot start a topic from scratch, but we try to close in gaps that you might, encounter in class at school. Okay, whoever said, is there a lesson? There is no lesson, but you guys are going to be giving me answers. Okay, so this is called fastest fingers first. A bunch of questions are going to come up, and if you have the answer, you are going to post it in the chat. It's all based on the learning areas I just showed you. So I tried to get some stuff from different learning areas just so you can see if you are ready for this year. Okay, these are stuff that you must already know. These are not stuff that you're going to learn. These are stuff that you should already know by now. And there's our first one. Pretty easy if you ask me. So go for it, guys. Ooh, okay. That was an attempt to fix my lighting and it went bad, but it's fine. Fastest fingers, whoever has an answer, pop it in the chat. And I'm going to shut up, but I can't. That's very difficult. I'm going to keep distracting you guys because I want to see who has the fastest fingers and can concentrate regardless of me talking too much in the background.
Oh, can I just say something, Kat?
Yes.
That guys, if there's any topic that you feel like you need to brush up on, remember when you're with Watobe, you can watch lessons from previous grades, and then brush up on those topics.
Smart. I will do that. We have an answer. Okay. Tanda says x is 10 or x equals 1. Okay. Negative
Keep
answer.
those answers coming.
With a question mark. Tando, are you cheating or what you are doing? I don't understand.
She wants a
This says
confirmation.
x is equal to 4 and 5. Okay. Tando's laughing because Tando wants me to tell Tando the answer. Tando.
No calculators, guys. Today's calculators can solve this equation.
Okay, wait.
Not.
I forgot what I put up here, so I can't say no calculators.
Oh boy,
I mean, but you can't use a calculator for this one. Unless your calculator can factorize.
Yes, they do that now. Yeah, I had one in matric.
Nebo. I don't want to be in a lesson with you anymore. I'm sad. Calculators give me heartburn, guys.
I'm sorry.
Okay, and Sunny has 2 answers. X equals 4, x equals 5, and negative 4. Tando says 4 and 5. Craig says x is equal to 3. Kamukhelo says x equals 5 or x equals 4. Maso says x, well, okay, not x, but 4 and 5. Okay.
Ooh.
Guys, even if your answers in the chat, we like for you guys to participate, please. Mathematics is not a spectator sport. You cannot watch us and think you are learning. Davenja says 4 and 5. Annie says 4 and 5. Dimelo says 4 and 5. Urinea, there we go, says 4 and 5. Okay, I see a consensus. A sort of consensus. Tiamo says x equals 5 or x equals 4. So does, okay, then Lisa says x equals 5 and x equals 4. Dumelo says 4 or 5. Vanilla says 4 and 5. Guys, so the numbers are corresponding, but the ends and the ors and the that's all I'm saying.
And be careful of the signs, guys.
Be very, very careful. So is it X and is it okay? And he says 4 and 5. All right. Melissa changed.
4 or 5.
Nelisa is thinking. Nelisa, we like people who reflect. You must think when I'm speaking. Okay, we have brackets. Okay. We're getting somewhere, guys. Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Before we give our winner their, you know, okay, Craig says x equals 4. Okay, guys, so obviously first factorize, eh? What are our 2 brackets? If you factorize x squared minus 9x plus 20, what are our 2 brackets? Our 2 brackets are x minus 4 and x minus 5. Thank you, Tando. Those are our 2 brackets, right? If you have no idea why they are both minus, or you have no idea where 4 and 5 comes from, it's like, I don't even know what's going on here. You're allowed to ask. But, so those are 2 brackets. And if you equate both of them to 0, then you'll end up with x is equal to positive 5 or x equals to positive 4. It cannot be and, okay? X cannot be 4 and 5 at the same time. So you have to pay attention to your vocabulary. Okay? So let's see who was the fastest fingers who got it completely right. Dube was so close because Dube said and. That and Sunny is so close. But you said -4. Guys, do you know these things are where you lose marks?
So
Sandra said
close yet so
x
far away.
equals 4, x equals 5. I don't know if there was an or there or and. Kamukelo said x equals 5 or x equals 4. We have our winner. We have our winner, and that is Kamukelo with the fastest fingers. Writing
Well
our
done,
answer
Kamukelo.
completely correctly. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 4. Any questions? You just raise your hand. There we go. Yisa, let's hear. What's your question, darling? Hello?
You can unmute, Oyisa. Nope.
Nope. She's like, bye. I'm not going to do this for you guys. Okay. Are you guys ready for the next one? Fastest fingers.
Yes.
What is the formula for simple interest? Guys, this one you must just type. You mustn't even. This one, you just put boom in there. Simple
Who's
interest.
going to be first?
I forgot. Nelisa, guys.
Oh, Nelisa.
Kamukelo, is that an I or L?
I'm also not sure.
Hey, there's a lot going on here. Hey, 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 hey. Woo. Wow. There, that's baie wat aangaan hierso. That is as much Afrikaans as I know. So yeah, after this, I need to go eat pap because it took all of my energy.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Refuel.
Guys, don't even. I want to know what's happening there, like I'm so curious because I have to choose who the fastest fingers is. Ooh. Okay, guys, what was my question? Did I ask for simple growth or simple interest? What did I ask for? Let's think about it. X is multiplication. But what did I ask for, guys? Let's think about this. Did I ask for the accumulated amount formula, which is A? Or did I ask for just simple interest? Guys, I was so nice to you. Zandi Sile, thank you. Ne, I'm giving you guys one last chance to tell me what is the simple interest formula. If I say to you, how much interest do you pay? Not what's the total amount of, no, I'm being nice. Last chance, guys. Final. Let's see who got it the first time. We go up and check. Hey, ke bona di A equals. Le ipona mara, guys. Hey. Pete, Lydia. Wait, I'm assuming that I am not a 1. Lydia. Well, now you'll never say it's a 1, but it's fine. Lydia is our fastest fingers. Listening.
Go, Lydia.
Listening to the question. So principal amount, obviously, times by I, which is your interest, times by N, which is the number of years. Okay, thank you, Lydia. Are we ready? Craig is already like, bring the next question. You're talking too much.
He's ready for the next one. Oh, he's like, nope, nope.
He's like, nah, what? No, what? Okay.
He's like, nope.
Next one. Woo! Wow. Okay, the mathematics marks of 200 grade 10 learners at a school can be summarized as follows. So this is you guys last year. Nina, ne? 4 of you got between 0 and 20.
Yeesh. Guys.
20 to 30 is 10, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so on and so forth. That's a lot of distinctions though. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's our question. In what interval does the median lie?
Bum,
In
bum,
what
bum.
interval is our median? Let's see who's the fastest fingers.
Come on, guys, you've got this.
I know it's probably going to be hard to, oh no, but there are buttons for the less than and the greater than's, unless you're on your phone. Let's see who's the fastest fingers here. The suspense.
Right? Don't be shy, guys. Even if you get it wrong, here we give you a second chance to correct yourself.
Guys, listen to how nice Lebo is. I know you're not going to miss me this year. You're going to be like, that one, she can do it.
Oh,
Lepo's
Kat, please repeat the
nice.
question.
Yay. Hmm?
Please repeat the question one of our students is asking.
Oh, yes, Masejo. In which interval does the median lie? And we have answers already. Zandi Sile says 0 to 20. Lydia says 50 to 60. Craig says 50 to 60. Okay. Let's wait for more people. These are the intervals, right, guys? So one of these intervals, the median is somewhere in the middle of these intervals. So what do you guys think? I told you Craig was ready. Craig was just like, come on, finish. I want to answer, please, come on, please.
Ready for this.
60. Guys, there's so many of you. I'm so happy.
Please
Okay,
keep
Director
that participation going, guys.
Dube also says, Dube Traders, what is your name, please? It's 30 to 40, Offense says 50 to 60, Masejo, Kamukelo, Annie, 50 to 60. Okay. We haven't heard anyone's voice today. Is anyone feeling brave?
Oh, does anyone want to speak to us?
Okay, let me say, does anyone want to speak to Lebo? I chance if I say that. Anyone? Nope.
Comments were nice. Nope, they're too shy today.
Nah, they're just like, nah.
You're like, nah.
Loveland,
Nope.
I love your name so much. Please speak to us.
Oh, that's a lovely name.
Watch them all change their names. They're like, no, I don't want her to call my name out. Okay, it seems like we have consensus. 50 to 60, and you guys are correct. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, if you have 200 learners, where does the median lie? Let's talk. Where does the median lie? If you have 200 learners, then your median is what number learner? In this case, it's 2 learners. Your median is?
Anybody?
They're all like, yo, you said there's no lesson today. What's wrong?
Yeah.
They're like, you never told us we're gonna do this. What is happening?
It's just an introduction, guys. Relax.
Guys, this is stuff from last year that you must know. So if there are 200, then the median lies between the 100th and 101th. 100, yes, that one. So now you have to get your cumulative frequency. See where number 100 is here, right? 100 and 101. So If you have 4 plus 10, that would be 14. That's definitely not number 100, ne? If you add 14 to 37, that's your mental maths. 54. Yee. It's 54. And then still not 100. 54 plus 43. Ooh, God me help me. 97. 94.
There we go. But ooh.
It's 94. If it's a 1, yes. It's yes. 94. Ne? We are still not at number 100, guys. So we have to go on to the next category, and that's where we find number 100, and that is the interval 50 to 60. Well done. Who
Well
was
done,
the fastest
guys.
fingers? Let's not forget to see who the fastest fingers was.
It looks
Lydia.
like Lydia. Go, Lydia.
Well done, Lydia. Well done. Okay,
Nice.
are we ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Ooh, I know you guys hate these things.
Oh, probability.
Yep.
Ooh.
And we have a few. Okay, let's see. Probability of A and B, probability of C, and the N, which is number of B. Let us see. Sis, Tando, Haibo. Which one is that one, girl? Oh boy. Girl or boy? Why are we sissing, guys? Is it because of Venn diagrams? I hate probability. Well, you can't run away. It is what it is.
Sorry,
Okay?
Tando, but we are here to help you, so it's okay.
You cannot run away. A and B is 2, okay? Guys, I'll choose the fastest finger for all of them. So whoever gets the first one right, the A and B, whoever gets the probability of C, and whoever gets the N of B. So we're gonna have 3. Yo. Tanda says A and B is 6, okay? Guys, I said probability. That's what probability means. That's a hint, by the way. Probability.
Be careful of notation.
Probability. Ne? Not number.
You
Tando,
just
I
gave them a
know
good
from
hint.
me. Tando, next time, use papa before you come. Offensive says P of 4. Guys, so far no one is gonna win the fastest fingers.
Oh,
Guys, what's the difference between probability and number? What's the difference between this P and this N? Think about it.
Does anyone want to come online and tell us? You can raise your hand and unmute and tell us. Please, we'd love to hear a voice. Anyone? Anyone?
Final hint again. Probability. What does probability mean? Ask yourself that.
Probability means the chance of any one of the letters landing on a number.
Yes, what is the chance, right? But it is out of the total, right? So it's not just the probability is 5. Your probability will be 5 out of something. So all of you guys go check your number there. Go check your answers. Whoever just spoke to me, you are a rock star.
Craig. Thanks,
I
Craig.
love it, Craig. I love it. I'm here for it. Craig was like, let me finish this off. Let me boom.
He is ready for this year. Ready. Anyone
changing their answer? Oh, see, now we're having things that look like probability.
There we go.
Lovely. Those question marks, girl. See,
Guys, we're
44
giving
over
you a second chance. You can change your answer.
B is 4. Okay. Okay, first of all, in total, what is N of this whole sample space? The holidays have messed up my brain. All of us.
Oh,
bro.
yeah, we're all in holiday mode still.
What is the total of a sample space? Thank you, Craig.
Thanks,
Okay.
Craig.
Total of a sample space is 33, right? So anything, if I say probability, it must be out of 33, guys. Think. Okay. Still low. Nobody still has my answers. Okay, it's fine. This one is difficult. Let's talk about it. Okay, the probability of A and B is the intersection of A and B, which would be over there, right? That's where we are. So that would be 2 out of the sample space, as Craig told us, is 33. So A and B is 2 out of 33. We all got it. The probability of C. Now that I told you the first one, what's the probability of C? Probability.
Probability, guys. Probability. There we go.
There we go. Thank you, Zandisile. I'm going to give you this round, fastest fingers. 2 out of 33. And then the last one is N. Ooh, Lord. Of course, I'm going to just fly. The last one is N. N is a number. How much do we have there by B? Let's talk about it.
Now you can put the numbers.
How much do we have there by B? I feel like they know the answer, but they're doubting. They're like,
Yeah, yeah.
they're like, should I? Can I? Must
Even
I?
if it's a guess, guys, like any answer is better than no answer.
3. I'm gonna read it the way you said. 4 out of 33. Tiago says 0. Evan says 3. Guys, I said B, not A. Ne? Be careful. Where are you looking?
11.
11. Horrible. Lovely says 0. Okay, there's no more question marks anymore. Renee says 0. Renee says 0. Fencer says 3 out of 33. Guys, what's in B? Just B. This part here. This little guy over here. Which one is that one? What do we have? Unati use the O. Oh, there we go. 0. And that's like, sorry, not sorry. Okay, so who got that on Tiamo? Thank you very much. Remember, N is not a probability, right? So it's not over 33. N is just, what's the number? Okay.
Well done, Tiago.
So well done, guys. Well done. I'm sure you are all tired, and I don't care because there's one more question. It's the last one, I promise you guys. Well, I think it's the last one. Calculate the distance between the points P and Q with our coordinates. Fastest fingers go. Let's see.
Last one for the day. I think you definitely need a calculator for this one. Can they use a calculator, Kat?
Yes, you guys can use a calculator. You don't need it, but because Level's here and she asked, imagine if I said no, guys. Can you use a calculator? I'm like, no. You're going to be, hey, oh, this one. What's the distance? I hope we all know our midpoint formulas, our distance formulas, our gradients. Ooh, parallel lines have a gradient that is the same, perpendicular lines. I hope all you guys remember the sweets.
Midpoint.
Yay.
It's about to get interesting.
It is. We have an answer. We have an answer. Nope, we don't have an answer. No, I have to look through my notes to refresh my memory. At least you have notes.
Yes, at least.
That's all I can say. Kamukhala says PQ is 1. Is this PQ? Well, we'll see. Randy Sile says PQ is the square root of 17. Okay. Let's wait for a few more answers. We're almost done. Okay, and Sunny says PQ is 5. Square root of 8.
Keep those answers coming.
Let's see. So far, everyone has written their answer 1. So no one is breaking up anyone. Woo, it's the fight of answers. Let's see who wins.
Last run of fast fingers. Fastest fingers.
Nope. First one to be backed up. Let's see who that is. No one. Okay.
Any more answers?
Okay, so we should all know our formula, never mind. Loveland says 1, so Loveland is breaking up Kamukhelo. Okay, Craig says 1. So we have a consensus. Let's see who is correct. So our distance formula is that square root of open bracket x2 minus x1 squared plus open bracket y2 minus y1 squared, and you square root everything, and that's your answer. So depending on whoever x2 or x1 is, it does not matter, guys. Trust me, you're going to square it anyway. I'm going to say this is my 0.2. So 0 minus 1 is 0 plus 1. So that's 1 squared, which is just 1. Okay, then negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. So negative 4 squared is 16. So 16 plus 1. And the winner is Zandi Sile. We have the square root of 70. Bo, 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 bo.
Go Zandi Sile.
Well done, guys.
Well
That was
done.
I don't want to say lesson, but yeah. And does anyone have questions? Then she's like, yes, yes. Go up and get your Oscar. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, dramatic. Any questions, guys? Level just laughing. That's all level is laughing. You can unmute and ask, guys. Any parents here with questions? I feel like the parents saw the first question, yeah, Matt, and they're like,
and they were like, nope.
We're out.
Ma'am, I kindly suggest that when we do the exam bootcamp thingy, that we do it like 1 or 2 weeks before we actually write our exams, because each and every one of us are in different schools. And in my school, most of the time, maths is the first subject that we write. And most of the time when we do the bootcamp, it's already after we have written our maths tests.
Which makes sense. And you are right. We did notice that this year. So I think we will have like a poll or something just to see like where your exam dates line up so that we can make it as, as useful as possible. Okay, guys.